My name is Avni Sadhvi. I study in Mushrifan High School, Gujarat, and I learn karate at Don Bosco Oriental. My sensei is Kiran Kelkar. I have participated in under 14 Kumite and Kata. In Kata, I have got silver medal, and in Kumite, I have got gold medal. I have participated in JKAI's first tournament of the state. Thank you.
माझें नाव आशा कृष्ण पाजीर. हांव डॉन बॉस्को हायस्कुलान शिकता. म्हाजी करंटी क्लास डॉन बॉस्को ऑडिटोरियम घालता. म्हाज्या सेन्सराचें नाव किरण केरकर. हांव काल JKAI करंटी चॅम्पियनशिपाक गेल्लो. तितून म्हाका काता सिल्वर मेडल मेळ्ळें आनी कुमितेन सिल्वर मेडल मेळ्ळें. आनी आमचो सर आमचे खातीर खूब मेहनत करता. तेजे खातीर हांव मनांतल्यान थँक्यू म्हणटा.
The first JKI Goa State Championship took place at the Old Heritage Hall in Pillar, Goa, showcasing the skills of karate practitioners from across the state. Among the standout performers were the karatekas from Don Bosco Oratory Panji Dojo, who excelled by winning an impressive 14 medals at the event. The championship aimed to promote karate and encourage participation in this traditional martial art form. Prominent figures from the Japan Karate Association of India attended the event, commending the athletes for their dedication to the sport.